Hello, welcome to hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. Each and every week I plan out what I've got to do, all my errands, appointments, things to do, all that good stuff, and I try my utmost to get them all done. If I don't stress at all. What I do is I spread it over time, such as days, weeks and even months. What I can't manage to do, that is what gets done. And I don't forget to take some time out for myself. I listen to music, my favorite podcast. I sometimes take a nap. I paint my nails if I want to. I do go to the salon for a regular pedicure, and I just don't stress out if I can't get everything done. I really do my utmost to take time out and enjoy things that I like to do. If it's something that you're interested in, I'd be happy for you to jump on board. It is an open collaboration. All you have to do is upload your planner details in a notebook, in your fancy planner, or whatever you want to do on a piece of paper. Upload your video, and it's hashtag Plan Fun Get Things Done. And also, if you can kindly tag me at Crafty Girl Chronicles in your title, I would really be very grateful for that. So on that note, I am planning from the 24th of August, which is today, up until the 31st. And I have done a little bit already. I thought I would do it with you today. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'll just hurry along. Now, it is Bank Holiday Monday today in the UK, so there's no one at work, only emergency service and stuff, and of course people that is needed. But it is an official bank holiday today, and I usually do a compulsory weekly chores, which is not even wash and dry, because that is, I do that every other day. It's changing the beds, bleach the kitchen, bathroom and toilet, hoover everywhere, and do my budget. But today, now, I'm only washing and drying and the beds. That's all I'm doing. I'm gonna have a kind of a relaxing day today. I'm taking the opportunity that it's bank holiday and there's no need to, you know, get myself all flustered. So I'm going to be doing the beds alone today. Wash and dry, have to. I'm going to do my budget, and I've got some juicing to do as well. So for zone 2 today, it's the Fly Lady zone, cleaning zone system that I follow or try to. And today it's dust in high spaces. So dust the high spaces. Dust and polish the living room. Clean under the sofa. Clean the desktop area. And check all the wires, make sure that they're all organized, move them away from where they are, and dust there as well, and maybe give it a wipe down so it's check wires, and I know what to do when I've put check wires. So that will get done from Tuesday onwards. I'm not doing anything, I'm not starting anything today with that. But what I really want to do tomorrow, okay, so wash and dry is Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So let's get that down. And then Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday is fold and pack away. So I will do that tomorrow. But what I want to do is give the kitchen a full bleach clean. Full bleach kitchen clean. Right? That's what I'm going to do. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to do tomorrow. It needs doing. On a Monday, Wednesday... Oh, let's finish do fold and pack away for Tuesday, Thursday and Saturday. And then Monday, Wednesday and Friday and Saturday I take my walk. So let me just do that in the orange. And it's a Wednesday, it's group walk. And then a usual walk. So I know. And then Friday it's walk. Saturday is my long walk. I want to incorporate some ironing on Thursdays. I'll see how that goes. But I'll just put it there because I might just be able to get it done. And also some gardening, because I haven't really got anything to do on Thursday. I've got movie night on Thursday. Really look forward to that. On a Wednesday I have a foot soak. And on a Sunday I have a foot soak. Okay, so no church for me because I've got family over for the holidays and stuff. So no church. And let's see what else. That is it. I need to just get all these bits and pieces done over the days, except for today. I'm having a chill day. I might potter around in the garden, do a bit of gardening. It just depends how I feel. I might just do a little short video to show you my progress or what's going on out there. So that is it for my week. Usually it is subject to change. Nothing isn't set in stone. I do like to juggle my bits and pieces around just so I don't feel overwhelmed with anything. And I'm happy with that. I really am. I used these washi tapes today. I used this cheapy little sticker book that I think I got it from AliExpress or Temu for these bits and bobs. And I also used my Happy Planner sticker book, the Brights, for the dates. That's what I have used. I've been going through my Happy Planner sticker books to see if I've got any more with dates in before buying, but in all fairness, I have bought some dates from Temu, which it's not bad because I will always have them to use. If you did like this video, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified when I upload new videos. I hope I haven't forgotten anything. I think that's it. That is it, yeah. That is it. And I'll catch you back real soon. Take care of your good selves. Bye for now.